Let's get ready to griddle. Hi y'all. It's taco time. Taco. Tonight we're going with chicken tacos. Chicken. Oh, oil is getting away. So let's start the show, shall we? We got some organic free-range chicken. I don't know why we have fancy organic free-range chicken breasts. Must have been on sale. But we got it and we're gonna cook it. It's in a fancy package. Okay, we should probably break it up a little bit. Break it up, spread out. May have to cut these down a little bit. Maybe. So, coarse sea salt, coarse ground pepper, granulated garlic, Mrs. Dash, maybe a little paprika. Ooh, paprika. Good answer. I use that on almost all my meats. I think I may actually want a little extra paprika. Don't go away. Thanks for keeping an eye on that for me. So we're going to add a little extra paprika just for the heck of it. Got this turned to medium. Maybe slightly too high. Yeah, let's go ahead and do a little slicing. Always keep my knife handy in case of cooking emergencies. And one of the great things about the Blackstone is you can cut your fruit on it, you can cut your cheese on it, you can cut a rug on it, you can cut a I almost started to say a bad word. You can cut a number of things on your Blackstone Griddle because it takes a licking and a cutting and a slicing and keeps on cooking. Just like your humble host of griddle porn. No trolls, no harsh criticism, no screwed up cooks. And I've had a few disappointments, failures, but that's the fun of it to me. I want to see what works on the griddle. Sometimes it works, sometimes it fails. You just don't know. That's what makes it fun and interesting, at least to me. Hopefully you're interested in learning new tips and tricks and menu items, or even if you watch and say, that was dumb, I'm not going to do it that way, I've accomplished something. It's okay. So it's just about cooked, so let's add some fajita sauce. Shake it. Shake. I like the fajita sauce. I'm not even sure where I got it. I think it was on sale at the clearance grocery outlet, because I like shopping in bargains. Long-term viewers will know I can't resist a bargain. But it makes it cheaper for me to find things to cook and make a new episode. If I cooked expensive steak and shrimp and lobster every night, I'd only have one episode a month, which is probably fine for some of you. I get it. But that's boring. I want to try new stuff every day. I've actually skipped the griddle a couple of days because I've been a little under the weather. That happens when you get old. It will happen to you too. Be prepared. So, that's basically cooked. Set it aside. We'll scrape off some of the stuff. Okay, needs a little more scraping than I expected. It's stuck to my spatula. Let's get a spatula scraper. Good idea. Thank you for the suggestion. Okay. We'll scrape off a little bit of this sauce. You notice how much easier the spatula scraper works. Okay, what's next? How about some tortillas? Yay, tortillas! I like it, I like it. Let's scrape you away. Yeah. Have you seen the tortilla blankets for sale? They're all over Amazon and stores, and I think I've seen them on infomercials. I don't know. I don't pay attention to what's on TV. They're giant, look like giant tortillas that you snuggle up in, cozy up, get comfy. So, we'll just give the tortillas a little bit. Ooh, look at that. Maybe we should flip them a little. Flip your lid. Flip my lid. Flip their lid. Okay, that's ready. We'll drop it in the pocket. This is not the fancy schmancy official Blackstone. Ooh, look at that. Blackstone taco holder. Our budget doesn't allow for that. So this is a generic discount grocery version, which works just fine for my purposes until I get $1 million budget and can afford all that fancy stuff. So, can you still see? Let's dump some chicken in each one. Let's trying to get away. Oh, it's got the nice sear. I love the griddle sear. Uh-oh. Okay, I need to do a little rearranging. Let's turn off everything. It's getting hot, hot, hot. Some like it hot, but you never know how hot until you stop. Hot, hot, hot. That's got a really good sear on it now. Yum. Everything's better with a good sear. And my lovely assistant prefers Mexican shredded cheese. And if Mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. So Mama is getting the cheese. Meanwhile, I like the queso. I like the queso cheese. Maybe I should set down the lid. And there we go. It's trying to close up on me. No, don't give me the cheese. Yes, you're getting the cheese. Okay, give me the cheese. Last time I made tacos with the queso cheese, I thought up of a new idea. I'm going to make one of these days. Should I tell you? I don't want to ruin it. You'll steal my idea. That's okay. We steal all my ideas anyway. Mexican cheesesteak using Mexican thin beef or not tostadas, something. Anyway, pico de gallo. There's an idea there, honest. Anyway, instead of the cheese whiz or any of those traditional cheeses, I'll use the queso cheese. And instead of the regular beef, ribeye, whatever you use, I'll use the thin sliced Mexican beef or something. Season it for like tacos, but make a torta and it will be good. Honest, it's gonna be good. So this is our I did it again, taco night with queso cheese. Yummy. Shredded cheese, it's all yummy. And there's our almost sunset. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and come back and see me again.